What's up, YouTube family? I am about to do a wash and go using only products from Dollar Tree. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it out together. I just finished my morning run. As you can see, I'm like sweaty. So I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like before and after. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. This is my hair. It's wet and dirty and itchy because I'm still sweaty from my run. So let's go ahead and tackle this with this wash and go from Dollar Tree. Alright girls, so what I did is I parted my hair and I got it soaking wet so I could finger detangle it. As you can see, I've already got some shed hair. Ladies, please, please, please put your shed hair on the wall so that does not go down the drain and cause you some plumbing issues. Okay, now I got the V05 Passion Fruit. This stuff smells really good, really moisturizing. It said it had like 5 oils in it. I don't know how true that is, but hey, that's what it said on the bottle. Alright, then I went ahead and rinsed that out, and I got the conditioner by Daily Defense. It is in the blue bottle along with the V05 Passion Fruit Smoothie conditioner as well. This stuff felt so good. The slip was awesome in the Daily Defense. I just put the smoothie, the V05 smoothie on top just because it smells good, but I really think you're set with just the Daily Defense, girl, so don't have to worry about buying both of them. Then I wrapped my hair into 2 sections and I put a little clip on there. Make sure you get that kitchen, okay? Because if you don't get the kitchen, then it's gonna be a bust, okay? After I got that pinned up, I got me a shower cap and I went ahead and used the same Dollar Tree bag that I had and I just put that on top of my hair. You have to wait for about 30 minutes with this in your hair so you can chat with your girlfriend about some shows that y'all watch.
That's what he did.
Girl, what'd he do?
Girl, he picked up his drink and threw it in her face.
No, he didn't.
Full all in.
Oh no, eyes was burning.
Or you can eat your favorite cereal. Drop a comment if you can name the cereal I'm eating right now.
After my 30 minutes were up, I went ahead and took off my bags and rinsed my conditioner out. Look at how juicy my curls are. I'm actually impressed by this stuff. It really felt like my hair was moisturized and nourished, and my hair did smell pretty darn good. So I rinsed it out with lukewarm water and I sectioned my hair back into those same 2 puffs so I could start with the products. So now I'm about to use the, what is this called? The Shea Solutions Organic Leave-in. And it says it moisturizes, detangles, and protects, and that it's paraben free. So we'll see. This smells really good. This one is the Argan Oil Curl Wave Twist Shaping Gel. It's like orange. Wow, look at this bad boy right here. Look at him. Wow. Okay. Let's not get too excited. Let's keep on going. Gliding right through my hair like some butter. Do you hear that? Slip. That's what that is. The answer to all of our prayers. This is what it's looking like, and so far my hair doesn't feel bad. Obviously it's super wet, so I'm just gonna let it air dry and I will come back and show you what the final results look like. And we're done. Wow. My curls look awesome. The last thing I'm gonna try is this Lusti Shea Butter Edge Gel. That's what my edges look like currently. Oh, it smells so good. Well, that's gonna conclude this video for a $5 wash and go at Dollar Tree. Drop a comment down below if you have tried the other gels that I didn't get to use, which were the olive oil and the Super Look. If you have tried these, let me know. Help a sister out. Let me know if these are worth putting in my head or if I need to go try to exchange them back at Dollar Tree, because you know Dollar Tree don't give you a refund. And also, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, everybody, peace.